Hey guys, I'm Kavan, and on today's episode of PhotoForge, we're going to be doing some conceptual photography with a little bit of surrealism elements. The weather is cold for today and it's raining a lot, but that's not going to stop us. So, without further ado, let's head out there and start snapping some shots. To begin editing, we are going to merge these two images together to create the look as if the mirror is floating. I first line up the mirrors as close as possible and then begin to erase everything from the image with Fletcher holding the mirror, until all that is left is the part of the tree that covers Fletcher. After that, I create a layer copy of the bottom part of the mirror to cover up his hand. I use the transform tool warp to make the bottom of the mirror connect. Next, I bring in our water ripple image. I'll have this available for download in the description below. When I bring in the ripples, I use the transform perspective tool to get them placed exactly how I want. I lower the opacity around 60% and erase the ripples from the hands and hair. After that, I begin coloring the image. First, I start with a black and white layer, lowering the opacity to around 15%. After that, I use a selective color layer, with the first layer focusing on the blacks, neutrals, and whites. I use several more selective color layers, with each layer focusing on an individual color. For instance, how I changed the color of the dress was done by using the blue color tab in the selective color tool. After that, it's several more selective color layers, with a few brightness and contrast layers and a curves layer. Then, we're done. That does it for this week's episode. Be sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel for more videos like this. And a big thanks to our guest model, Aminata. You can follow her here on Instagram. Next, I'd like to give a big thanks to our show sponsor, BayPhoto. BayPhoto is the best in photo prints. And the coolest part, if you sign up with BayPhoto using me as your referral, you get 25% off your first order. To do this, just click the link in the description below. It'll take you to BayPhoto site, sign up with me as your referral, and you'll get 25% off. Lastly, PhotoForge is doing its second photography contest. And this one is very much a my best shot theme. So literally it can be anything. All you have to do to submit is tag your photo, Kavan's PhotoForge. That's the hashtag that we already use to select photographers to show on the PhotoForge page, but now we'll be using it as well for the contest. So again, Kavan's PhotoForge, tag your photos, you can enter as many times as you want, and the grand prize winner gets $200 and a BayPhoto exposure print. So that starts today, so go ahead and start entering your photos. And with that said, I'll see you guys next time.